Hey everybody, this is Edujo and welcome to another video in my series on the Raspberry Pi. Today again we're going to be looking at Minecraft, and I'm going to show you how to build a street of houses. For example, 5 houses or 10 houses or however many you want to make. So let me go ahead, I'm in Minecraft at the moment, so let me go ahead and just fly up and see if I can find a nice space where I can build a few houses. And this looks like a weird area. Let me just go forward and see where I am in the world. Right, it looks like we might be going I'm going slightly backward. Oh, there's some ice. There is some ice. I'm just going to go right here. I'm going to drop right in the water. Cool, that doesn't help. So I want to go up and onto the ice. Okay, let me just see. I'm going backwards. I'm not sure if it's going to build that way or that way. I need to go. No, I'm going forward. Sorry, I'm going forward in terms of X. So I'm going to stand right there, and then I'm going to see how I'm hoping my houses are going to go sort of right in front of me. I'm not too sure. It depends on the XY position. But I'm going to run my code. Let me click there. I'm going to press F5. Then I'm going to run my code, and then we should see, yes, in front of us. Let me just go Minecraft and right click, there we go, double space to go up, and there you can see right in front of us are the houses that I built. Okay, it went out of the, it hasn't, it's just so if I go there, and now you can see, let me just go backwards slightly and maybe a little bit down, there we go, and there you can see I've built 5 houses with the pointy roofs, the pyramid roofs that I showed you in the earlier video, and I built 5 houses that could be in a street or something like that. So there you can see the houses. Now I'm going to show you how it is built. So let me just go out of Minecraft. I'll just close that program. I'll minimize Minecraft. The code that I'm using is the same as that I used for building the house or building the pointy roof. But there are a few adjustments. One of the things that I've adjusted is that I've went and after the code that I had for the size of my house, I defined a function. This df means defined function. The function's name is house. I moved all of these. I just moved it on one tab space to the right, and then also what I did was by leaving the house size h_size 10, that variable, I left it outside of the function. By doing that, I've made it a global variable. And then also what I've done was I moved the position equals empty player, that variable there. I moved that one out of the function that was this part. I've moved it out of the function, as well as the XYZ position. So I moved all these variables out of that function so that it becomes they become global variables. Then what I've done was I added a for loop. So for those that are doing programming, you can just do a normal loop. There's many different loops you get. The one that I chose to use here is the for loop. So what I'm saying, for I in the range 5, so I want to make 5 houses, and I want to run the function house, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to change that variable every time I build a house and it goes through the loop. I want to change the variable x, the value of x. I want to change it, make it 2 higher, so I've got a bit of a split between my houses, and then I want the size that I'm splitting it just to be the size of the house. So that's how it works in terms of the code. So let me go and just build another one so that you can see again how it works. So I'm right here. I know now the houses are going in that direction. So let me just find a nice spot. I don't want to go behind it. I don't really want to go in front of it because I'm going to go through this mountainous area. Let me see what happens on the other side of this mountain. On the other side of the mountain, we've got a bit of a clearing here. We've got a bit of a clearing, which may or may not work properly. I'm going to drop down right over here. And let me just go forward a bit. Doom. So I'm going to go right here. I hope I'm choosing it. I want it to go that direction. I hope That was okay. So now I'm going to go back to my code. I'm going to F5 to run it, and then I'm going to wait for that to happen. Yes, it happened right in front of me. So I'm just going to double tap. I'm going to go out to the side, and there you can see, okay, it's gone through the mountain, but it doesn't matter. You can see, and it looks like it's the end of the world there as well, but you can see how I've made a nice little split in between there, and this just goes right through. I wonder if I just go over the mountain, we might actually see a bit of it on the other side, depending how far it's gone. No, it's gone into the mountain. Into the mountain. So I really should have cleared some space, but you get the idea. You can see that it works, and you can see I've got 4 houses there. Let's just see if we can find that 5th house. I'm just going to go down. I'm going to go down here and see if I can get in there. I want to see that house, man. So let me start digging. Let me start digging. I'm going to dig, I'm going to dig, I'm going to dig, and I'm going to go forward. Let me just go there. What is stopping me? Is it that part? So, oh, maybe I must press forward. That'll help. So I'm just digging, and I'm digging away. Let me get rid of this. Go deeper, 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 deeper. I need to get to see the. There we go. There's the other house. Whee! And I'm in the house. There's the 5th house that I found. Cool. That is cool. And then there's the 4th house, 3rd house, 2nd house, and the 1st house. So I found my. I've done my houses. I found my 5th house. So it's nicely built. So that's how you can build a street of houses. Thank you for watching this video. Do play around with the code and see if you can come up with maybe a longer street, or with maybe a couple of rows of houses or something like that. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.